This is an audio file from old Westwood games like Command & Conquer. It uses a custom compression. You can't play it in Windows Media Player. You need a game audio converter. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the tool. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one AUD file, inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. The AUD file extension is associated with Command & Conquer audio files. These files contain audio data used within the various Command & Conquer real-time strategy games. The audio data can include sound effects, music, and voice acting, all essential components of the game's immersive experience. These files are proprietary to the Command & Conquer game engine. AUD files are typically structured with a header containing metadata about the audio data, followed by the raw audio samples. The specific encoding and compression algorithms used within the AUD format are specific to the Command & Conquer game engine. Reverse engineering may be required to extract or modify the audio content. Technically, the best program for AUD is usually Command & Conquer from Westwood Studios. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows can open these audio files, but true editing freedom requires proper DAW software. To force the file open, right-click your AUD file and select Open With. If Command & Conquer is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. When your AUD file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, use Media Player. Open the file using a universal media player, e.g. VLC Media Player, Windows Media Player. Next, check codecs. Ensure the necessary audio codecs are installed on your system. Finally, convert format. Use an audio editor or converter tool to convert the AUD file to a guaranteed compatible format, like .mp3 or WAV. When this AUD file resists every program you own, it's likely a case of naming overlap. Because so many developers share the same extensions, your computer is essentially guessing the format. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Because the specialized software couldn't access your AUD file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Like the video if you want more file format fixes. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. I'm thankful for every viewer I have.